How you doing, Mr. Fullers? Omari Dante here at Jimmy Bush Chevrolet. I'm going to do a little walk around video for you of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado All-Star Edition. Give me a call back if you got any questions. 706-453-2500. I'll see you guys next week on Friday. Stay tuned for the video. This is the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado All-Star Edition. It has the All-Star package on it. Excuse me. Stock number is 6727. As you can see, it's chromed out in the front. Nice tires, running boards. Got the inside of the truck. Looks pretty nice. The extra seat. Got those nice, long, shiny running boards. Look at the back. Look at how much space you have back here. So look at the rims. Look at this nice, beautiful cover. Chevrolet sign. This vehicle is ready to go. Backup camera. Tow hitch. It's easy. When you let down the back, how it falls real slow. Look inside the bed. See it from this angle. Again, this is Omari Dante, Jimmy Bush Chevrolet. I see you on Friday, the 24th at 3 p.m. Thanks.